Outside it's snowing. Okay. I noticed something really weird out here in this tree. I've never seen this before. In the middle of winter, when it's snowing, I have all these robins out here. And of course we have the guard cat right here. And he's speaking in cat language. And what he's saying is cat language. He's telling these birds to get their asses off the property, or he's going to turn them into sushi. Never seen anything like this. I don't know where they're coming from or anything. There's one over right there. And there's a couple of them, they're just sitting up there. They're not doing anything. And it's freezing outside. And all these birds are just flying around like they don't know where they're going. And it's the middle of winter, and I've never seen birds come out this early. There goes another one. And of course we have the cat here. What do you think, kitty? What do you think? You want to get the fuck off our property, don't you? You want to go out there and just grab one of those birds by the ass and make them say Sally, right? Right? You don't mess with a 20-pound Siamese cat. They're just sitting up there. Come and get me, cat. Come and get me. Come and get me. Come and get me, cat. This cat could go right up that tree. Oh, here they come again. Right up that tree. There they go again. And rip these little birdies a new one. You get them, cat. You get them. Don't let them on the property. Don't let them on the property. Get them. That's right. Kick their ass. Don't look at me. Look at them. Yeah, that's right. How dare they come on our property? That's the cat saying.